The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. As the terrorist attacks are becoming more deadly and frequent, martial law has been declared. All citizens are required to immediately return to their homes. Repeating, martial law has been declared and all citizens are required to shelter in their homes. It is recommended to go underground. Have enough supplies for at least 2 months, and have a battery-powered radio. You can use a television, but if disaster strikes again, news will only be transmitted via radio. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Another terrorist attack is occurring. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Another terrorist attack. The following message has been transmitted at the The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Centers for Disease Control. The previous message was interrupted by the terrorists now identified as the Purifiers. As the terrorists hacked into the primary entry point system, we are broadcasting on an alternate frequency. Repeating the previous message, another terrorist attack is about to occur in New York City, New York. Seek shelter in a basement, lock all windows and doors, turn off all heating and air conditioning systems, seal all cracks, and if you have time, board up all doors and windows. If possible, wear an air filtration device such as a surgeon mask or a gas mask. If you experience the following symptoms: vomiting, bleeding from mouth, nose, or ears, blurred vision, seizures, cardiac or respiratory arrest, massive organ failure, death, or coma, call 911. If a person nearby experiences these symptoms, then you may be infected as well. This message will be retransmitted in 1 minute.